Welcome back to DR PGTRB Coaching Center, Ranipet. Today's class is about ecosystem and we'll start now. The term ecosystem was coined by A.G. Tansley. Which one of the following is a characteristic feature of cropland ecosystem? Least genetic diversity. Vertical distribution of different species occupying different levels in a biotic community is known as stratification. Which one of the following is not a functional unit of an ecosystem? Stratification. Which one of the following is one of the characteristics of biological community? Stratification. Which of the following is the most stable ecosystem? Ocean. In relation to gross primary productivity and net primary productivity of an ecosystem, which one of the following statement is correct? Gross primary productivity is always more than net primary productivity. This option is correct. The mass of living material at a trophic level at a particular time is called standing crop. In an ecosystem, the rate of production of organic matter during photosynthesis is termed as gross primary productivity. Secondary productivity is rate of formation of new organic matter by consumers. The rate of formation of new organic matter by rabbit in a grassland is called secondary productivity. Mass of living matter at a trophic level in an area at any time is called standing crop. The biomass available for consumption by the herbivores and the decomposers is called net primary productivity. Which one of the following ecosystem types has the highest annual net primary productivity? It is tropical rainforest. Which of the following is expected to have the highest value in a grassland ecosystem? It is gross productivity, which is GP. The rate at which light energy is converted into chemical energy of organic molecules is the ecosystem's gross primary productivity. Which of the following ecosystem has the highest gross primary productivity? It is rainforest. Maximum solar energy is trapped by growing algae in tanks. A very efficient converter of solar energy with net productivity of 204 kg by m square or more is the crop sugarcane. Which one of the following process during decomposition is correctly described? The answer is fragmentation, which is carried out by organisms such as earthworm. This is the only option which is correct. The breakdown of detritus into smaller particles by earthworm is a process called fragmentation. The slow rate of decomposition of fallen logs in nature is due to their poor nitrogen content. Plant decomposers are Monera and fungi. Which of the following acts as nature scavengers? It is microorganisms. If we completely remove the decomposers from an ecosystem, its functioning will be adversely affected because mineral movement will be blocked. The primary producers of the deep sea hydrothermal vent ecosystem are chemosynthetic bacteria. Most animals that live in deep oceanic waters are detritivores. If 20 joules of energy is trapped at producer level, then how much energy will be available to peacock as food in the following chain? It is 0.02 joules of energy will be available to peacock as food. Which of the following is a primary consumer in maize field ecosystem? It is grasshopper. When man eats fish, which feeds on zooplanktons, which have eaten small plants, the producer in this chain is small plants. And today's video ends here. For further videos, like, share, and subscribe our channel. Thank you.